ferry at the ticket office in Puntarenas. So this is at the end of the road, the main road that goes through Puntarenas, and it's called Paseo de los Turistas. So you'll drive all the way past the lighthouse, and then you will see the ferry on your left-hand side, and right across is the ticket office. You can't miss it. It's a big blue sign over here. So we're gonna go buy our tickets first, and you should do it at least an hour before, especially if you have a car, because you have to wait, you have to drive onto the waiting area, and it's first come, first serve, and it gets very busy during high season. So we're gonna go buy our tickets for the 2 p.m. ferry. We'll show you guys all the schedules, and then I'll show you the process of how you can get on the ferry with your car. And then there's also a walkway if you don't have a car and if you're just riding the ferry as a passenger. This is the schedule for the ferry. This is the Puntarenas, this is where we're gonna take, and we're gonna take the 2 p.m. ferry, and this is the other side of Paquera to Puntarenas. And then here's actually the rates. So you have per person, and then they have per car and motorcycles and bikes and kids. We just bought our tickets for the ferry, and they look like this. Since we have a car, this one is for the car, and this price actually has the driver included, and then this one is for me, who is a passenger. So one adult is 810 colones. A car with the driver is, oh, they actually put 11,400 for the car and then 810 for the driver on here. So you need to hold on to these when you get onto the ferry and throughout the whole ferry ride, because they might ask you for it. So now we're gonna go into the car, and they'll announce when they start loading the cars on. So we're gonna go head over there and get ready to drive on the ferry. So we're inside the ferry. You can see they have seats inside. There's AC, TVs, they have a snack area behind me, a bar, water. They have bathrooms as well. So it's about an hour ferry ride, but it's very nice. So you can sit outside too. They have seats outside and on top. So you can enjoy the view and enjoy the ferry ride. We have made it to Paquera. As you can see, the ferry was really easy to take. It's a very nice ride. This is a good way to go from San Jose over if you want to go to Montezuma or Santa Teresa, Tambor, all those areas. So if you guys want to learn more about taking the ferry, I'm going to put more pictures and information in the post, so click on the links below, and I hope you found this video useful.